51 Talk launched in 2011 with a vision to transform English education in China, and now it has its sights set on the rest of the world. Here to share more is Roger Parodi, 51 Talk's head of strategy. Roger, welcome to the show.
Thanks. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
What service is 51 Talk providing, and how did it start?
We were first in 2011. We focused on the China market, and we were the largest online English educator in China based on lessons taught. We reached 400 million US dollars in gross billings. Then in 2021, China introduced the double reduction policy, which made us shift entirely to international markets. Today, we only teach outside of China. Our core product is one-on-one English lessons taught to children 5 to 12 years old. We use international teachers, and we use a fully animated curriculum. We expand steadily into new subjects like exam preparation based on local needs. We didn't enter the international markets empty-handed. We had a great product. We had a mature technology platform, and we had stable operations. So that all made us grow from day one as we entered international markets. Financially, now we stand with gross billings guidance for Q3 2025 of 36.5 to 37.5 million US dollars, and we expect healthy growth for the full year of 2025.
All right, and I understand that localization is key to your strategy. How do you make education feel on the ground in different markets?
Education is inherently local. Different school systems, different holidays, different learning habits. We are building offices in key markets with experienced leaders and train them to our proven methods. We adapt the curriculum to local markets, and we adapt sales and marketing to local markets. We are not a learning software. We are a fully localized education operation in each geography where we actually operate. This on-the-ground approach gives us a high entry barrier. The blend of brand, of local and central expertise is very difficult for competitors to match.
All right, and AI is disrupting education everywhere, and I think pretty much every other industry. What is 51 Talks take on it, and how are you using it on your platform?
Well, AI changes online education profoundly. It's a great opportunity for our students and for us. We use AI everywhere in our service. We customize the course, we streamline sales and marketing, we enhance tutoring. We even have products that are fully based on AI tutors where we don't have human tutors anymore. Nevertheless, we place human tutors at the center of our service. It's our AI plus human approach is what students and parents ask us for and pay us for. While others invest build with investor money, we grow with the money that our students pay us every day for the lessons we teach. While others try to build the future, we are building a path to the future, fueled by own cash flow, and we're sure we're going to be the first to arrive.
All right, and what are some use cases for the AI on your platform? What is it doing?
Well, as I said, for instance, pre-class, after class are taught by AI tutors. That's not even a human tutor anymore. Then it enhances our class in terms of that it gives the teacher every information. Where does the child learn? Where does the child not learn? Where to enhance the class. It customizes the class based on AI, based on the dialogue between the teacher and the student. And eventually it gives a report where parents can understand how their child learns, where it learns, and how it learns better.
All right, and I know you mentioned the growth path for 51 Talk earlier. Which markets are you targeting, and how big is the opportunity?
Well, we think that the opportunity outside of China is as big, is not bigger as we were in China. We look at Southeast Asia, we look at the Middle East, Eastern Europe, Latin America. They have huge population and they demand for high quality education at an affordable price. So over the next 5 to 10 years, we expect to penetrate these markets step by step as we grow.
Roger, China played a big role in your company's past. What is its place now, especially with data and R&D?
China is our R&D hub. It's where we've invested historically more than 100 million US dollars to build our technology platform. China is as well a global leader in education technology. It is a great source for top talent. In terms of operation, we have fully separated the operation, the legacy operation that we had in China and the operation where we are, the operation for international markets. In terms of data, we store our data outside of mainland China.
All right. And what is next for 51 Talk?
Looking at our CEO's share buyback, we have a lot of confidence into the future. We are intending to going back to the main board of the New York Stock Exchange as we built. We are a great team in the right place at the right time. So for us, it's all about implementation, all about execution now to get us to the next growth steps.
Roger Parodi, 51 Talks Head of Strategy. Thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
It's great to be here, Ashley. Thanks for having me.